Here's how to see who you've blocked on Instagram. So first, go ahead and launch your Instagram application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Then tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen and then select the three lines in the top right to go to your settings and activity. From here, you need to scroll down and you'll get the option of block that is between cross posting and story live and location. Go ahead and select it. And here you'll see the list of the people that you've blocked on your Instagram. If you want to unblock someone, go ahead and select this unblock button beside their name. Then tap on unblock again to confirm, and you'll be done. And if you want to block someone new, tap on this plus icon in the top right corner. Search for the person that you want to block and tap on block beside their name. Then tap on block again to confirm, and they'll be instantly blocked and added to your blocked list. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.